need a bib. Just wait. We need a bib. Let's go get one. Let me see. I bet there's some in the dryer. Okay, let's take a look. What's in here when I open the door? Anybody home? Looking for Mr. Bib. Oh, there's all kinds of things in here. All we want is a bib. Mommy got one. I got one. Say bye-bye. You want to hold that? No? Yes? Okay. Oh, my goodness. Where's Daddy? Okay. We're good. It's time to eat. Oh my goodness. Hang on. You know what's coming. Just wait a minute. Milk? 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 You need milk? Get your hands ready.